Hello guys, in this live stream, this video I will show you how to get and deploy AI model API keys unlimited free access using a website that I will show you. So if you go to simply Google, I found out this website recently. It's called as MLflow.org. So if you simply type this on Google, the very first website which comes, so it actually provides you with unlimited AI credits that you can actually use to run and deploy AI models. So this website is this. It's completely open source gateway for LLMs, one gateway for all your AI models. So you can see unified access to all the AI models. So it's completely open source. It's almost got 25,000 GitHub stars. So you can just see here, you can build out so many intelligent AI related apps using this website. It has almost 50 plus model providers in a single subscription website. So you can see it has OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Mistral, DeepSeek, Grok, Together AI. So all these providers are there inside this website. So now to get started, it's really simple. You install this dependency as a pip install MLflow and then start the server locally to actually start and deploying AI models. It's very simple. The command is simple. You simply need to have Python installed here and then execute this command pip install MLflow. So this will install this model for you, and then you start the server by the second command. You simply execute this command to install this server and just start the server. So you can see it is installing this dependency. So it's completely open source package. So it will directly start the endpoint directly inside your local machine. So HTTP localhost 5000. So from there you can create an API key with your provider credentials, create an endpoint and link it to your API key. And then you can query through your gateway that you have created like this. And the thing about this, you can do this unlimited number of times. It's completely open source. So this is actually their full open source documentation given. You can read more about it, how to set up this server. So you can see locally you do this like this. You can also make use of pip. It's completely open source and you can set up this. So once it get installed, you will get a notification, then you can start the server. So once it get installed, you simply start the server locally. This will start the server locally once it get installed. So it is just installing it. As you see, I started the command here. So it actually takes some time for installation to complete. So pip install. So once it get installed, you simply execute this command. So this will start the server. As you see that it will prepare the necessary packages here. You will see that. So now you can see it started this server at HTTP localhost 5000. You directly open it in the browser. HTTP. So you'll see this notification. Welcome to MLflow. So right here you can start the demo as well. It will show you the actual from. You can create an endpoint right here. You just give it a name. So here all the models will show.